大家好，我是 Eddie，欢迎来到你好汉语。Hi guys, this is Eddie. Welcome to Nihao Chinese and welcome to today's HSK series. In today's lesson, we will be studying HSK Level 2 Textbook, Unit 1. Let's get started. 我们开始吧。Lesson 1, 第一课。9月去北京旅游最好。9月去北京旅游最好。9月去北京旅游最好。September is the best time to visit Beijing. The literal translation, let's take a look. 9月 September. 去 means go to. 旅游 travel. Here we have a structure. 去 plus a place plus 旅游 means travel to some place or visit some place. If you want to say travel to Japan, you can say 去日本旅游。最好 means the best. That's superlative in Chinese. 最 means most. 好 means good. Most good, the best. Let's take a look at the warm-up. 热身，给下面的词语选择对应的图片。Match the pictures with the words. Let's read all the words first. 1. 旅游，旅游 travel. 2. 运动，运动 do sports, exercise. 3. 眼睛，眼睛 eyes. 4. 足球，足球 football. 5. 椅子，椅子 chair. 6. 猫，猫 cats. Now, let's match the pictures. I'm going to reveal the answer. A. 猫，猫 B. 足球，足球 C. 眼睛，眼睛 D. 旅游，旅游 E. 运动，运动 F. 椅子，椅子 Did you get all the answers correct? Let's move on to part 2. 看下面的图片，说说来北京旅游最好的时间。Look at the pictures and talk about the best time to visit Beijing. 3月，3月，3月。6月，6月，6月。9月，9月，9月。12月，12月，12月。In Chinese, when you want to say different months, you just need a number. You need 1, 2, 3, and so on, and then plus 月 this character, because 月 literally means month. It is so much easier than English or other languages because you just need to plus a number. There is no individual word for each month. Now let's take a look at our text. Text 1. 在学校 in the school. 我要去北京旅游，你觉得什么时候去最好？我要去北京旅游，你觉得什么时候去最好？9月去北京旅游最好。9月去北京旅游最好。为什么？为什么？9月的 北京天气不冷也不热。9月的北京天气不冷也不热。Let's break down each sentence and try to understand the structure. The first sentence, 我 means I. 要, the second character, has two meanings. Number one is will or be going to, that means future tense. Number two, it means your willingness, that means want to do something. According to the translation, it says, I'm thinking of a trip. That means the author wants to treat Yao, this character, as want, this meaning here. But based on my instinct, I would say if I see the sentence, I will automatically understand it as will or be going to. There's no reason because when you try to understand things, you need a context. And when I hear this sentence, I don't think about want or thinking this word. I think about will and be going to. Now, I think this is something wrong with this book. But, I mean, everybody has their own understanding. As, a Chinese, from the perspective of a real Chinese, me, I think this sentence, if the author really wants to say, I'm thinking of a trip, he'd better say, 我想去. Okay? 想, that really means want. But here, I think 要 means will. Well, that means this sentence is misleading. It could be confusing, but whatever. Let's go on. 去 means go to. 北京, 北京, that's a city. 旅游, travel. So do you remember I said 去 plus a place plus 旅游, that's a structure, means travel to a place. 你 means you, that's a pronoun. 觉得 觉得 means think. 什么 what. 时候 time or period. 去 means to go. 最好 means the best. 最好 is superlative in Chinese. 最 literally means most. 好 means good. Let's read the sentence again. 我要去北京旅游，你觉得什么时候去最好？ The literal translation of the sentence is, I go to Beijing travel. You think what time go best? Now, second sentence, 9月 September. 去 means go. 北京 city. 旅游 travel. 最好 best. 9月去北京旅游最好. Literal translation, September, go Beijing, travel the best. Next sentence, 为什么 means why. These three characters, don't break them down, just treat it as why. By the way, you see the pinyin is the second tone. Probably you think about why you don't read it as 为什么 because 什 is the second tone. But when you really listen to me carefully, actually I always read it as 沈. So it sounds like third tone, right? Well, this is just like a tone change in Chinese. Don't worry too much. You just read it as third tone, just like what I did, okay? If you really read it as the second tone, like it is supposed to be, then, it's hard for you to read it out. So you better just read it as the third tone. 为什么? 为什么? You got it? Last sentence. 9月 means September. 的 is an indicator for adjective. So that makes 9月的, the three characters together, meaning in September. Because the next phrase in the sentence is Beijing, 北京. If you want to translate 9月的北京, these five characters together, it would be Beijing in September. So that in September actually describes Beijing, this word. It's kind of like a, adjective or like a clause in English. Beijing, which is in September, kind of thing. Okay, 九月的北京. Just like if you want to say Beijing in winter, you would say 冬天的北京. 冬天的北京. That's how we say the sentence in Chinese, but in English, you will just say Beijing in winter. You put in winter at last, after Beijing, but we put in winter before Beijing, or we put September before Beijing, this word. 天气 means weather. 不冷 means not cold. 不 means no or not. 冷 means cold. 也 means too or also. 不热 means not hot. 热 means hot. 不冷也不热. Neither too cold nor too hot. Actually, 不 plus an adjective plus 也 plus 不 plus another adjective, it's a structure, means neither too what nor too what. Now, for example, if you want to say neither too big nor too small, you can say 不大也不小. If you want to say neither too tall nor too short, you can say 不高也不矮. You got it? By the way, I want to say 不, this character is a polyphone because you notice it has two pronunciations. One is 不, the fourth tone. The second is 不, the second tone. Why does it happen? Here is the trick. If you put a word after 不, this character, and that word pronounces the first, second, and the third tone, then 不, this character, will be the fourth tone. However, if you put a word after 不, this character, and that word is the fourth tone, and then you have to change 不, this character, into the second tone, and you will say it as 不, 不. For example, in our book, 冷, cold, this word is with the third tone, right? And according to the trick, to the rule I just told you, it's the third tone, so you read 不, this character, as the fourth tone. However, the second case, 热, which means hot, this word is the fourth tone, and then you have to follow the rule and automatically change the tone of 不, this character, into second, and you read it as 不, 不. Got it? At the end of today's lesson, let's study the new words. Take a look at your book. 一, 旅游, 旅游. 二, 觉得, 觉得. 三, 最, 最. 四, 为什么, 为什么. 五, 也, 也. By the way, the second new words, 觉得, I read the second word as 得, second tone, yeah? But on the book, it's a neutral tone because you didn't see that little symbol, the tone symbol. Yeah, actually you can read it as 觉得, 觉得. But for me, my habit is to read it as the second tone, 觉得, 觉得. Actually, the second word indeed is the second tone. It's just because these two words together, so it just treats the second word as a neutral tone. However, you know, if you're from different parts of China, you have your language habit. I would rather just read it as the original second tone, which is 觉得. If you really want to read it as 觉得, 觉得, it's fine. Okay, that's the end of today's lesson. If you like my HSK series, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on that alert button to receive my videos on time. 好了，今天的课就到这里结束了，我们下次见，拜拜。